Okay, so I want to show, this is scalene work part 2, where we're going to invite the client to do some engaging and disengaging to help release the work. And this is really good for people who've been like at desks all day, or they've got their texting and these have gotten really short. So this is something to do as an adjunct when you're doing other scalene work. So what I will do is I'll start up by the jaw, and then I'll slowly guide down, and as I find little spots that are tight, I'll invite the client. So Allison, I want you to keep your head on the table, but slowly tuck your chin in towards your chest. Keep coming. Tuck deeper. Deeper. Even more. That's it. Even more. That's great. And then slowly release. Nice. And tuck in again. Nice. And release. And tuck in again. And have you hold that tuck. And in Allison's case, I also feel extra tightness in her right, the way her right shoulder plays up into there. So keep the tuck. And then Allison, slowly shrug your right shoulder towards your ear. Keep coming. Almost like you're squeezing that shoulder against the side of your neck and face. Good. That's nice. And then release both the tuck and the shoulder. Good. So that one was a little bit more lateral. I'm going to do it a little more medial. You have to be a little bit more delicate, so I don't have quite as much pressure. Tuck your chin in towards your chest. There you go. And come out of the tuck about 50%. And then tuck in again. Yeah. Now shrug both shoulders towards your ears, making that whole area short. Let your shoulder blades glide along the table. That's it. Now come up. Yes. And release the tuck and everything. And then I'll glide her up to help integrate it. A little traction. Now this, couple things to remember is make sure they keep their head on the table, because sometimes people will want to lift their head off the table and it's too much engagement. Head on the table, tucking the chin in towards the chest. And it's also a great thing to use if you're doing some side work. So let's say I've been doing some side work, and maybe I find a zone that needs a little extra work. I'll have her tuck her chin in towards your chest. Nice. That's good, huh? And release. Do that again. Then also push your elbow into my arm, sideways, out. And then slowly release both. Good. And then sometimes I will rock head from side to side to integrate it, and then transfer up. Okay, so that's some Scalenes part 2.